What you're about to see was captured entirely on police body cameras during a high-risk incident that quickly escalated into a life-threatening situation. The following video contains graphic content that may be disturbing to some viewers. Discretion is advised. As officers arrived on the scene, they were immediately faced with uncertainty. In situations like this, every movement, every decision, and every second can make the difference between life and death. The officers began assessing the area, gathering information, and attempting to understand exactly what they were dealing with. From their perspective, there was very little room for error. As the encounter unfolded, tensions continued to rise. Officers communicated with each other, maintained their positions, and prepared for the possibility that the situation could turn dangerous at any moment. One of the most challenging aspects of law enforcement is making split-second decisions under extreme pressure. Unlike what we see in movies, real-life situations don't come with clear answers or unlimited time to think. Everything happening in this footage was occurring in real time. The officers had to rely on their training, experience, and instincts while dealing with a rapidly changing environment. As the situation intensified, officers became increasingly cautious. Every sound, every movement, and every action from the individuals involved had to be carefully monitored. Bodycam footage provides a unique perspective into these incidents. It allows viewers to see events from the officer's point of view and understand the difficult circumstances they often face in the field. At this stage of the encounter, the risk level had significantly increased. Officers knew that the situation could escalate without warning, and they remained focused on protecting both themselves and the people around them. Moments later, the incident reached a critical point. With very little time to react, officers were forced to make decisions based on the information available to them in that exact moment. These are the types of situations that law enforcement officers train for, but no amount of training can completely eliminate the pressure of a real-world encounter. The events that followed would become the focus of a detailed investigation, as is standard procedure in officer-involved critical incidents. Investigators later reviewed body cam footage, witness statements, and all available evidence to determine exactly what happened and whether department policies were followed. Incidents like this often generate strong reactions and public debate. Some people focus on the actions of the officers, while others focus on the dangers they face while responding to unpredictable situations. Regardless of perspective, one thing is clear: encounters like this are complex, fast-moving, and often far more difficult than they appear from the outside. This footage serves as a reminder of the challenges law enforcement officers face every day, and the difficult decisions that sometimes have to be made in a matter of seconds. This footage serves as a reminder of the challenges law enforcement officers face every day, and the difficult decisions that sometimes have to be made in a matter of seconds. When officers respond to dangerous calls, they often have very little information about what awaits them. Every situation is different, and what may seem routine can quickly become unpredictable. In moments like these, officers must rely on their training, communication, and judgment while operating under extreme pressure. There is rarely enough time to consider every possible outcome. Bodycam footage offers a unique look into these high-stakes encounters, showing events as they unfold from the officer's perspective. It helps provide context to situations that are often far more complicated than they initially appear. Following incidents like this, investigators carefully review all available evidence to determine exactly what happened and whether proper procedures were followed. These reviews are an important part of ensuring accountability and transparency. Watch closely and decide for yourself. What are your thoughts on this incident? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more real body cam footage and police incident breakdowns.